Hello friends. In previous session we have seen the combination of file with the different parameter which fetch from the Linux systems, and we have received some certain configuration from the systems where kind of memory details, disk utilization, date details, kernel details, and all these details we made a single script. So today's session we are going to focus on the condition of if loop. So let's start. So I'm creating one file where I'm giving the name of condition, giving the cbank, okay. Now I'm doing this program for integer value. So let's make a value of a equal to 10. Let's make a value of b equal to 20. Okay, now I'm comparing these two value. So you have to make sure the condition statement happen properly in if condition. So you have to make sure that the syntax. So I'm giving the if in a bracket $1 $a means a variable is equal to $b. So we are comparing this value. If both are equal, then what happen? So we have to write some action. So I'm doing the action over here is echo a is same as b. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will print the else statement. Then echo a is not b. Let's save this file and run this file. Okay, so we made one small mistake over here. So we should make sure that when we start if, we have to make the end of if loop with fi. Now if loop got stopped. So this started loop, this is then the action item, this is the else action item. So let's save again, let's run again. So now it's showing the a is not b because both value are different. Let's change the value here. I'm changing value, both are same. Now let's run. So a is same as b, so its condition is working fine. So if I want to compare negatively, if not equal to, then what happen? So I have to give the condition like this. If a is not equal to b, then a is same as b, else a is not b. Let's run again. So this is run the condition of the if loop. Let's see the loop in a different way. I want to, so here we have discussed the two things, the integer comparison with equals to and integer and comparison with not equals to. So let's remove this code. I want to make sure that the user which I logged in is a root or not. So I'm making one user name variable and passing value who am I. Okay, I'm saving this value just to show you what the who am I commands do. So who am I? So it will show the returns of the which user you have logged in. So I'm taking that input in username. Now just for debug purpose, I'm doing the print of username. Let's run this command so we can trace our script one by one steps. So now it's print the root user. That means our echo is working fine. Let's move again. Let's make it the condition here. Username is equal to root. If username is matched with root, then we have to print the echo you have logged in with root user, else echo you are not root. We have to complete the if statement using fi. Let's close this file and let's run. So now it's giving that you have logged in with the root user. Let's see the file. So here we have the given the condition for equal to same with and not equal to we already discussed. Like that we can give the greater than equal to, less than and less than equal to. So you can make your mathematics combination with the comparison operator also. So in this session we have seen that the condition with if loop. We will see the more details in loop in next sessions. For example, for, while and the different combination of this for, while with the incremental variables.